is I am on my Rascal Facebook page. And if you are an admin on that page, if this is your page, you'll go up here across the top and choose Publishing Tools. It's going to open up a new screen. And on the very left, you're going to click the Creator Studio. This allows us to create content for immediate posting or future postings. But again, talking in the context that we're in here now, I am in the Creator. And what I want to do is across the top here is I want to go live. Now, when this opens up here, I'm going to go over here to the left, and I have two options: to go live now, which is a really easy way to create a live video, include an image, share your desktop, and those types of things. In this case, we want to schedule a live video. And when I'm scheduling this, I'm going to click the date and time. We're going to go this Sunday, the 19th. And I'm going to say, let's go for 11:30. It's going to be here on the Realtors Association, South Central Wisconsin. I'm going to give this a title, 123 Main Street Virtual Open House. And you can put anything you want in here. Select an image that you want to upload, maybe an image of the front of the property or something along those lines. And then we are simply going to schedule the live video.